What's up, family? Hey, but yeah, let me tell y'all. First of all, yeah, I'm on a little. I call myself being on me a little. More, do y'all get away from my food? I call myself being on a little. Wait, let me push the camera back because y'all can't see my sandwich. Hold on. Y'all can see it. Let's go back. Okay, yeah. First of all, yeah, I call myself being on a little small diet, which just starving myself throughout the day now. But yeah, um, I'm a start from the beginning. Why? So when the M&M's father first got here, yeah, I ain't gonna lie, I just been eating and laying around and eating and laying around, and I could feel like the pounds on me, like yeah, y'all know I got a gut anyway, but I don't be liking my gut to get to this certain size. And I felt like it done got to a certain size, yeah. And it's time to slow down. So let me tell y'all what I've been doing though. First of all, I ordered me a faja. Y'all know them fajas when people have surgery and they put them on or whatever. Yeah, when I tell y'all I put my faja on, I be snatched. Do you hear me? Make me thinking about going to get some surgery. No, I'm just playing. But yeah, I put it on or whatever. The M&M's father, he been my little trainer. Like he been helping me through like little exercises and stuff. My stomach is actually sore right now from trying to do exercises, but yeah, I told myself I got to like do something for 30 days because I ain't trying to be real big and like all that overweight or whatever. Because I'm not big, it's just y'all know when you gain weight, you gain in the wrong places. My stomach, like, why I got to get huge? My stomach and my butt, but I ain't complaining about the butt, you hear me? But yeah. Anyway, yeah, I will show y'all what I've been drinking for breakfast, like little smoothies. I don't feel like getting up getting it. If I don't forget, I'm gonna show y'all what I've been drinking for breakfast. But I'm doing this video, y'all, because this is a sandwich that I never had from Subway. And I'm guessing it's a healthy sandwich, the stuff they got in it. I'm going to insert a clip, y'all, of how it looked before he wrapped it up.
That's too many onions. Too many onions. No, too many. Yeah, onions, but not that much.
Yeah, look what I'm getting myself into. This is my second day of working out. Little diet and look. Okay, that's good. And I'm gonna also put the name of the sandwich right there. But yeah, it has though. It got spinach in it. Number one, that's healthy. I love me some lettuce and tomato, yeah. Onion, onion can be a vegetable too, right? That's in there. Look at me trying to not make it like. But I don't care what y'all say. I'm finna eat this whole sandwich. Let me show y'all how I look inside. I ain't never had this though before. It's called a chicken. It got some little crunched up chicken in it too. Avocado and stuff. Look at it coming from out the bottom. Yeah, looks so good. I just want to rate it, y'all, because I never even tasted. And if I would never been trying to do the little diet thing, I would never order this off the menu. No, I would not. So I'm going to eat it with y'all. I'm going to start it from this way since I see the avocado back here. Oh, it look good, don't it, y'all? I still got the oils and stuff on it too. But let's see. What kind of bread is this? I don't know. But we shall see. Hold on. I mean, It really tastes, it tastes like a salad. I know when sometimes people be doing diets, you shouldn't eat bread, but yeah, I do my stuff a little different. Like, let me tell ya, I ain't, it's like 3 o'clock right now, yeah. All I had today was my little breakfast smoothie thing. And this, my lunch, I guess, dinner or something. So, hopefully I lose some little pounds slowly. Because I know I gained some pounds. I'm need some apple. But yeah, I get this sandwich a 10. It's good. I like it. I ain't gonna eat the whole thing, yeah. I'm just gonna eat this half. Because I'm serious about losing the few pounds, because that ain't cool. Yeah, one thing about me, I love to eat like I love food. And it be mainly restaurant food. That's why, you know, it be easy to gain all that weight off restaurant. I like house food too, but it's something about when you go to the grocery store, I don't want that. But this sandwich is good. You don't even need no chips with it, none of that. Yeah, I should try it. Dior right here want to try it. But no, Dior, you ain't finna try this. I don't know. What kind of bread is this? Like a... Oh, it's thin. It's like a taco shell or something. I don't know. But I guess it's healthy. I sent another sandwich, y'all, that I want to try. Oh, yeah, look. I never had their tuna. That was the sandwich that I wanted to go in there and get, was a tuna sandwich. But the M&M's daddy think he really my trainer, and he sick this one. Talking about get this one. So I'm like, well, when I read it, I'm like, oh, well, that's something that I like, because, I mean, the stuff on it, I eat it. I even eat spinach. It's good. But yeah, my fault. I'm hungry. And this sandwich is so good. And I give it a 10. Go get y'all one. If you ain't tried it, go get one. I like it. I think I'm gonna be ordering these more often. Cause yeah, when I go to Subway, I order the chicken bacon ranch, but it be the square pieces of the little chicken. That's the wind keep on moving the dough. But yeah, this sandwich is a 10, a 10, a 10. Only thing though, y'all, about the sandwich, but I still give it a 10. The bread is like, it don't have no like taste to it now. It's just on there. It's like a taco shell, for real. That's what it's like. I ain't full. Don't want none. I need this other side. They say eat small portions. This is a small portion. That little sandwich ain't nothing for me. But no, yeah. I'm finna show y'all my smoothie that I been drinking. I want to show y'all my fire. You're passing my smoothie. Hello. Excuse me. Yeah, the smoothie, I like it, but it got all type of stuff in it. And it's like, I don't know, it tastes like spoiled milk. You think I'm bogus from eating this whole sub?
No, that bread non-gluten.
Oh, okay. You know what type of bread. What kind of bread is it?
Non-gluten.
I let him pick my sub.
I do that.
So, yeah. This the kind of smoothie I be drinking for breakfast. I would have put on the fire and showed y'all how it look. Yeah, it's snatched. Like when I tell you, hey. But I ain't gonna put it on y'all because one thing about them fires, they gotta hold you down and zip that up, button that up on you. But when you finally get it on you now, you're gonna be like, I should have got a size smaller. Yeah, you're gonna be like, I should have got a size smaller. I wanted to just say that again because I was chewing them. But yeah, this have vitamin C, A, D, and some calcium in it. Yeah, they got whole grains, real strawberry, and an excellent source of protein. It's called a breakfast smoothie. This yogurt is fruit plus yogurt plus whole grain smoothie. Blended it's blended together from what? Wait, it say fruit plus yogurt plus whole grain smoothie. Blend from in, not from concentrate juices with added ingredients. They need to rewrite that sentence and make it make sense because that don't even sound right, but we see what they're saying. And yeah. It's alright. Cause it tastes mainly like the yogurt, but it's like giving me spoiled milk vibes when I drink it. But it's cool. It got 21 vitamins in it, yeah. This how you know this sandwich healthy because my stomach's still growling. See, I don't like this. That means if it wasn't healthy, you would be full, right? I can't get full without stuff like this. I need me some real food. Who's you looking at? But yeah. This video was mainly about trying this sandwich for the first time, but I just wanted to break it down and tell y'all what made me get this type of sandwich. But it was a good sandwich to try though. They got another sandwich up there. I'm scared to try it. It say avocado on it. And he was trying to get me to get that. Probably get it next time. So stay tuned, y'all, to some more video, vlogs, pranks, all that. Stay blessed. I love y'all. And just be yourself.